Hello, boys and girls. For social studies today, let's take a look at our objective. It says, I can explain the responsibility of the three branches of city government. So repeat after me. I can explain the responsibility of the three branches of city government. Okay, so that is our focus for today. So city government, we have talked about, remember we have talked about the city, state, and country. So first today we're going to look at just the city, which was the smaller part of that circle that we created. So we're going to think only about the city government. There are three parts of city government. We have our city council, our mayor, and our court. Let's say it together. City council, mayor, court. So let's take a look at what each of these things mean. So we're going to start over here at city council. A city council is a group of people who make the laws in a community. So they make those laws. Remember in our story about the stop sign, how the kids had to go see the city council? So that's why they had to go see the city council, because they are the ones that make the laws for the community. Now let's look at the mayor. The mayor is the leader in a community who enforces the laws. So we have our city council who makes the laws, but then we have our mayor who enforces the laws. Oh, enforce, that's such a big word. When we say enforce, we mean that he is the one to make sure that the laws are being followed. So city council makes them, and then the mayor enforces them or makes sure that the laws are being followed. And then we have our last part over here, which is court, the branch of government that interprets laws and decides the punishment for breaking the laws. So that just means that if someone breaks the law, then they go to court, and the judge will decide, okay, did they really break the law? And if they did break the law, then what's going to be their punishment? So let's look at that again. We got our city council who makes the laws. We have our mayor who enforces or makes sure people are following the law. Then we have our court. When someone decides to break the law, they go to court, and that's where the judge will decide, did they really break the law? And if they did break the law, what's going to be their punishment? So now we have this tree that hopefully will help explain a little bit more, give you a graphic visual of how they look. So all three of these are needed to make up the city government. So we have our council, which again is our group of people, and they make, what do they make? They make the laws, right? Then we have our mayor. Our mayor, what does the mayor do? One of his jobs is to enforce what? What does he enforce? He enforces the laws. Then we have our court. The court interprets the law, right? They make sure that the law, if it's broken, did you break the law? And if you broke the law, what should be your punishment? Now, for your assignment, you're going to answer this question. What do the three branches do? So for number 1 on your paper, it says, what does city council do? And I put a little hint there to help you. It starts with the M. What does city council do? Number 2, what does the mayor do? I put a little E there because that's a little hint. And number 3, what does the court do? I put an I there because that's also a hint. So you're going to number your paper 1, 2, and 3, and then tell me what each of these branches of government do. All right, thank you. Have a fantastic day.